Hi guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set your own image as a lock screen wallpaper in Redmi 4 or Redmi Note 4, or how to change your lock screen wallpaper in Redmi 4 or Redmi Note 4. So to set your own image as a lock screen wallpaper in Redmi 4 or Note 4, you have to switch to the settings, tap settings, and then you have to scroll down to wallpaper. Tap wallpaper. You will find here various options: live wallpaper, screening, abstract, local photos. Now you have to tap local photos, and then you have to find out the desired photo that you want to set as lock screen wallpaper. Now you need to tap apply button, and then you have to tap set as lock screen. See, the lock screen wallpaper is changed. In this way you can change your lock screen wallpaper in Redmi 4 or Redmi Note 4. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.